Sheets versus reports versus dashboards. If Smartsheet feels confusing, it's usually because of one thing. People don't understand the difference between sheets, reports, and dashboards. So in this video, I'll explain what each one is, what it's for, and how they work together in plain English. All right, so the big picture. Smartsheet has three main building blocks. Think of them like this. Sheets store data, reports show the data, and dashboards present the data. If you remember just that, everything else. All right, so let's go over sheets and where the data lives. A sheet is where your data actually lives. This is where you type things in, update rows, add attachments, and run automations. If you delete a sheet, that data is gone because the sheet is the source. Sheets are for working, not for summarizing or presenting. As a rule of sheets, if you need to enter or change information, you're in a sheet, right? Sheets are for working, not summarizing. Next, we have reports, views of data. A report does not store data. Instead, it pulls information from one or more sheets and shows it one place. When you edit something in a report, you're actually editing the original sheet, the source. The report is just a window. Reports are best for seeing only what matters, combining multiple sheets, and reducing clutter. And a rule for reports: reports help you see data, not own it. Next, we got dashboards, displays and navigation. A dashboard is for displaying information, not editing it. Dashboards use widgets to show numbers, charts, links, and reports. They're great for status updates, leadership views, navigation pages. Dashboards usually don't change data directly, they show outcomes. And the rule for dashboards: dashboards are for looking, not working. So the problems happen when you try to use the wrong one for the job. So what they are not: sheets are not dashboards, reports are not copies of the data, and dashboards are not spreadsheets. All right, so how they work together, just to recap. All right, so your sheets are your core source. Reports are reading those sheets and they're presenting those in a report. The dashboard is where you're going to house all of your reports that looks at the source data. So works in sheets, reviews in reports, and presents in dashboards.